simplify. So let's say we have got nothing but 16 divided by x to the exponent of minus 4, all to the power of exponent 3 over 4. So let's look at this question without anything. So first of all, if we can take you back to the loss of exponent, that says a to the power of minus n is nothing but equals to 1 over a to the power of n. So this is the same law, like let's say we've got b multiplied by a to the power of negative p. So this is equals to b divided by the coefficient. It will be left alone, but to change this power of exponent to be positive, when it goes down, we multiply the exponent by positive by negative, then it changes like that, is becomes a b over a to the power of p. So looking at this one, we are going to apply the same thing on our x. So if it's on the denominator, going to the numerator, it will multiply the exponent by negative. So here, well, it means we're going to have this is equals to 16 x to the power of 4, because now we multiply the exponent by what we call negative, so to eliminate the division. So we can change everything to the power of exponent. So we all know that we can change our 16 and write it as 2 to the power of 4 and change and copy that one. So again, if we go to the loss of exponent again, this one that says if we have got a to the power of n, b to the power of n, all to the power of p, this one is going to be equals to a to the power of n multiplied by p, b to the power of m multiplied by p. So it simple means that that exponent is going to multiply each and every exponent that is inside the brackets. So it means we're going to have 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 4 times our x to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 over 4. So if you can check it clearly, you can tell that I will continue here. You can tell that our 4 and 4, they are going to cancel each other, and our 4 and 4, they are going to cancel each other, so that we are going to be left with 2 to the power of 3 x. So we can remunerate our 2 to the power of our calculator, then it gives you 8. Then this one we copied it the way 8x to the power of 3. Yeah, that's all. So if you've got any question, you may ask or you may WhatsApp. Thank you very much.